Hello, welcome to the Triangle Hi-Fi tutorial videos. Today, we will guide you step by step on how to set up and operate the active speaker series. Start by placing your speakers on your furniture or suitable stands. Then connect the active and passive speakers together using the provided speaker cable. Make sure to respect the polarity of the connections by attaching the cable with markings to the red terminal. You should be able to tug on the cables without them coming loose. Repeat the process for the passive speaker. Next, plug the power cable into the active speaker, then into a power outlet, and press the switch to turn it on. Use the remote control to power on the speakers. Now, let's move on to Bluetooth connectivity. To connect a device to Bluetooth for the first time, press the BT button on the remote control. The LED will flash blue rapidly for 10 seconds. Once the blue LED flashes slowly, press the BT pair button. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your device, search for, and select LN01A. Once your device is successfully paired, the blue LED will remain steady. You can now enjoy music from your device. Next, let's look at how to connect a turntable. To connect your turntable, first attach the ground cable to the unscrewed ground terminal on the speaker. Then, connect the RCA cables, ensuring the colors match the connections. If your turntable does not have a built-in phono preamp, set the phono in selector to phono on the left. To select the input, press the RCA phono button on the remote control. The LED will light up green. All that's left is to place your LP and enjoy the music. Now, let's move on to connecting a CD player. You can connect your CD player, network player, or any compatible device. Link it to the RCA input on the speakers. To do this, connect the RCA cable from your device to the speaker, matching the colors of the connections, and set the phono in selector to line on the right. To select the input, press the RCA phono button on the remote control. The LED will light up green. If the RCA input is already in use, you can use the auxiliary connection. To do this, connect your device to the speaker using a 3.5mm jack cable. To select the input, press the AUX 3.5 button on the remote control. The LED will light up green. Now, let's see how to connect a television. You can connect your TV using an optical or coaxial cable. To do this, connect the cable from the output of your device to the optical or coaxial input on the speakers. Select Optic or Coax on the remote control. The LED will light up green. If you connect the TV via optical, please go into your device's settings and ensure the audio output signal is set to PCM/stereo. Let's move on to connecting a subwoofer. For even more powerful bass, you can add a subwoofer. To do this, use an RCA cable to connect the sub-out output of your active speaker to the line and input of your subwoofer. Next, plug the subwoofer into its power supply and turn it on. Manual adjustment of the crossover frequency is required to get the most out of your subwoofer. To do this, set the frequency to 70 Hz by turning the dial. Let's see how to adjust the speaker using the rear button. You can control the speakers using the rear button on the active speaker. You can adjust the volume by turning the dial and change the input by pressing it. Let's explore how to adjust the frequencies of your speakers. If you wish, you can fine-tune the sound settings of your speakers. To do this, use the bass plus and bass minus buttons on the remote control to adjust the bass. For the treble, use the treble plus and treble minus buttons. If needed, you can reset the equalizer to factory settings using the Reset EQ button on your remote control. Let's look at the auto standby function. For your information, after 30 minutes without a signal, the speakers will enter standby mode. Use the power button on the remote control to reactivate them. Let's move on to the support section. Remember to register your speakers on trianglehifi.com to extend the warranty to 3 years. Need help? Our team is available by chat or email on our website. We wish you a wonderful listening experience with our speakers.